So today we're back on the Hutt Valley line. This is Naenae Road, pedestrian level crossing, and I think this is a fairly new one actually, or at least a new automatic one. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I'm right in saying that this was originally an unguarded crossing and was converted to guarded. So what have we got here then? Well, we've got two sets of Montrose of Penrose LED lights. We've got two Western Cullen Hayes e-bells, which I believe are on the quiet setting, and we have two automated pedestrian gates, which, if we check the label around here, should be magnetic auto control. Yes, they are indeed magnetic auto control. Motorised gates. So now all we've got to do is wait for the train. So the bells go off before the gates open on this crossing. So there we go. So that was a southbound train heading from Up Hutt to Ipuni station, which is just round that corner. Very straight track heading up that way. We head on over to the other side, and then we can wait for a train to come the other way. Again, like pretty much every auto gate crossing in Wellington, we do have manual emergency releases, which I don't really like personally. I think they're too easy for people to just use them to jump the lights. I think that they should be locked and have the emergency release buttons like the ones in Auckland, but they don't seem very keen on installing those in Wellington for whatever reason. I don't know what reason that might be. Oh yeah, and then from this side, look, you can actually see Ipuni station down there. Good. Right, so now we're on the other side. We'll wait for a train going the other direction. There we go. There we go. You'll notice that they have used the quieter setting on the e-bells. They tend to do that everywhere now, but I think, to be honest, that this is a legitimate use of the quiet setting because you've got houses on both sides of the line here. So I think that's a pretty fair application of the quiet setting, and you have got the gates. So I won't quibble with that. I can just see the train down there turning around the corner. It's gone through pretty quick. So yeah, that is Naenae Road pedestrian level crossing. So So thank you very much for watching.